you don't even know it. Oh, high class niggas.
This shit sound crazy.
Fly shit only.
This shit sound
You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
It's $1,000 pair of shoes, you don't even know it.
There's one straight across right here. And a little opening. I'd stay low because I don't know if he sees this one. It's over you. Okay, right here. Yeah, you're good. You have to put it like that.
Short 6, all the fuck so big, can't even toy. Don't like snakes, keep my grad cut so low. Tip done, period, look high glow. No, we don't do more. If it ain't PJ, no rose for me. Host don't even pour it. Spent song tone for it. Button down Michael Kors. Always on like the refrigerator unplugged. Then how you know it. AP and that PK with a bright link when on board. Got a masterpiece. 41
I'm getting them now. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move up over here.
Right now, you don't even know it. This $1 million watch, nigga, you don't even know it. Got $1 million crib, nigga, you don't even know it. Hey, that nigga show you that. I came up from bottom, you don't even know it. My niggas all ride with me, you don't even know it. Right now, you don't even know it. This $1 million watch, nigga, you don't even know it. Got $1 million crib, nigga, you don't even know it.
Been rich about a year now, you ain't even know it. Had a long talk with my account, I ain't even blow it. The whole game big, my shit, you ain't even know it. Sat on the remix, he ain't even know it. I said, these niggas need Lord. Got a crib, can't even afford it. In the club looking on board, showing your money, can't even throw it. In that crib, you don't need
Dude, we were just behind the
that lean,
fucking
you
line.
ain't even know it. Every bad bitch dream about my dick, you ain't even know it.
6. 6. Coming out. 6. Yo, keep moving up there. Yeah, we were just like in between our own guys. It was crazy. Fucking crazy, man.
You don't even know it. Hey.
We got a lot of marijuana. If you see me got a problem, run up on me like you wanna. Guarantee we gonna solve him. If we thinking someone shot him, hit him with a bottle. I'ma let a nigga have it. Started from the bottom. Now my diamonds look like autumn. And police don't even call him. It's a milli if you call him. Presidential rollie is a ticket if you want it. And I showed you little niggas you could get it if you want it. Boom!